Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to HBO Max on TV step by step clearly. Turn on your TV and make sure it is connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Press the home button on your TV remote to open the main menu. Go to the App Store on your device, such as Google Play Store, Samsung Apps, LG Content Store, or Roku Channel Store. Use the search option and type HBO Max. Select the HBO Max app from the search results. Choose Install or Add Channel and wait for the download to finish. Open the HBO Max app from your apps list or home screen. On the first screen, select Sign In. If you see a prompt to choose a profile, select it only after you complete sign in. Look for the on-screen code that appears, and keep this code visible. On your phone or computer, open a web browser. If the website asks, choose your TV device type or TV provider option. Type the code from your TV exactly as it appears, then select Next or Continue. When asked, sign in with your HBO Max or Max account email and password. If you subscribe through a provider, select your provider and sign in with that provider account details. Approve any permission prompts on the website to link your TV to your account. Wait a few seconds for your TV screen to refresh automatically. If it does not refresh, select Try Again on the TV or close and reopen the HBO Max app. After you are signed in, choose your profile or create one if prompted. Check that you can browse titles and play a short video to confirm everything works. If playback fails, go to TV settings and confirm the date, time, and network are correct. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option on the sign-in page to reset it. If the code expires, select Get New Code on the TV and repeat the activation steps. For buffering issues, restart your router and your TV, then open the app again. Make sure the HBO Max app is updated to the latest version in your app store. If the app is missing, confirm your TV model supports HBO Max and consider using a streaming stick if needed. Once everything is set, you are ready to stream HBO Max on your TV anytime. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.